Understanding slow-cooked meals, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a delicious and interesting English phrase, slow-cooked meals. This phrase is not just about food, but it's also a great example of how English words can combine to create specific meanings. Let's dive in and unravel the layers of this flavorful expression. Slow-cooked meals is a phrase composed of two parts, slow-cooked and meals. The first part, slow-cooked, describes a cooking method where food is cooked at a low temperature for a long time. This method is often used to make the food tender and to enhance flavors. The second part, meals, simply refers to the main eating occasions of the day, like breakfast, lunch, or dinner. So, when combined, slow-cooked meals are meals prepared using this slow cooking method. Now, you might wonder, why do people slow cook their meals? Slow cooking is a popular technique because it has several benefits. It is energy efficient, enhances flavors, and can make even the toughest cuts of meat tender and juicy. It's a method preferred for certain dishes like stews, soups, and roasts, where the slow simmering process allows the ingredients to meld together beautifully. In many cultures, slow-cooked meals have a special place. They are often associated with home cooking, comfort food, and family gatherings. In English-speaking countries, dishes like beef stew, pot roast, and pulled pork are common examples of slow-cooked meals. These dishes are not just food. They represent warmth, home, and togetherness. Let's see how to use slow-cooked meals in a sentence. 1. After a long day, I love coming home to the aroma of a slow-cooked meal. 2. My grandmother's secret to delicious flavors was always in her slow-cooked meals. 3. On weekends, we often prepare slow-cooked meals to enjoy with the family. I hope this video has given you a tasty insight into the phrase, slow-cooked meals, and how it's more than just a way of cooking. It's a part of the culture and language. Remember, English is like a vast menu of expressions, and each one has its unique flavor and context. Keep learning and exploring, and I look forward to sharing more insights in our next video. Happy learning, and bon appétit!